Understanding HTML5? The argument over World Wide Web Consortium's W3C, next generation of markup language HTML5 continues. Whether it will really make a difference to the web or not is what everyone is thinking of, and results will be seen only with time. However, W3C recently announced the working draft of HTML5. This is the latest revision and is said to be future of the web. Technology giants have been continuously working towards making their browsers more and more HTML5 compliant. W3C released the complete definition of HTML5 and Canvas 2D specifications. Although the specifications are not considered to be standards, the announcement of the specifications signified that HTML5 is now stable and available. What is HTML5? HTML is the markup language used to create most of the web pages. It has continuously evolved since its inception and acceptance as a standard in the world of technology. As the use of Internet grew, it opened up newer ways for people and organizations to communicate and connect. The usage of audio and videos in the web pages became a norm. However, the technology that renders the web page itself couldn't support these advanced features, and the browsers relied on external plugins or workarounds to render such content in the web pages. W3C took note of many such developments and joined hands with the Web Hypertext Application Technology Group, WHATWG, to develop HTML5 as the next generation standard development language. Its main aim is to support multimedia in a better way and to make it easy for users to read it and consistently interface with computers and browsers. HTML5 is a predecessor of HTML4, XHTML, and DOM, but a more advanced one. Most browsers today are updating themselves to support its standards. Important features. Some of the key features of HTML5 that web developers can use are listed below. Eurosend Web Workers HTML5 uses separate background threads for processing scripts. By doing this, it ensures that heavy scripts used by web applications do not affect a page's performance directly. Eurosend Graphic Rendering using Canvas. It includes Canvas 2D that helps developers render graphics in their pages directly without requiring third-party plugins. Eurosend Video Handling HTML5 allows developers to embed videos in web pages just like they embed images. This eliminates the need for third-party plugins and external codecs to render the videos. Eurosend enables geolocation access. The geolocation feature introduced in HTML5 benefits mobile and handheld devices the most, as these services are extensively dependent on the user's real-time location. Eurosend Application Cache and the death of cookies. HTML5 standard will not require cookies to store information on the visitor's computers. Instead, it will be using application cache, which is a much larger file, to store information current status. While HTML5 is complete in terms of features and as a specification, the standards are not ready yet. Another thing remaining is its adoption by the browsers. While many browsers are already compatible to it in some or the other way, many are still waiting to become HTML5 friendly. W3C will publish the final recommendations and standards once it achieves interoperability of HTML5 across all the browsers, and this task is expected to be completed in 2014. With the development of HTML5, there will be many things that you can integrate into your site, which will play an important role in the performance of your site online. Gearing up for this development from now itself will be more useful than understanding the nuances of this language after its release. That is why it is necessary that you work with a professional web design company that keeps itself up to date with the latest development in the design and development world and is ready for any changes or upgrades that may be made in the web design and development business.